Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here. Today I want to share with you a Windows 11 shortcut that I want everyone to try out. And that is if you simply press Windows V on your computer, you'll see this screen pop up in the bottom right hand corner saying clipboard, let's get started. Turn on clipboard history to copy and view multiple items. So let's turn it on first, then we'll talk about how to use it. So I'm going to turn it on by left clicking on it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to press Windows+Shift+S on your keyboard. And then you can simply select by dragging over something you want to take a screenshot of. So I'm going to press Windows+Shift+S again and just get some more pictures. And then you'll see what happens after I get some pictures. If I press Windows V again, I get a list of all the pictures that I have copy and pasted before. So let's say that I want this one, this particular dog here. I can just left click that and then I have put that into my clipboard memory. So now I can paste that in wherever I want. So let's say I go to Word, Microsoft Word, and I paste the dog picture in there. Okay, so Windows V, very useful. Now, Windows V. Okay, now what I want to talk about is some of these buttons on the right. If you click this pin item icon, what happens is, if I click clear all, everything else will go away except what is pinned. And even if you restart your computer, the pinned item will still be there. Lastly, you can also click on these three dots and you'll see this rubbish bin icon. Click that and it'll disappear from your clipboard history. So if you didn't do this, then what happens is every time you press, I'll show you. So I'm going to turn the clipboard history off by going into clipboard settings. And I'm going to turn the history off, clipboard history, I'm going to turn it off. And then you can see that if I press Windows+Shift+S, I select something here, and then I go to Windows+Shift+S, select something else, and then if I go to clipboard history, and I turn it on, it's too late. I don't have the one that I copied before. So I would seriously suggest turning this on. Everyone should be turning it on so that you don't lose anything you copy and pasted. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.